This video is for anyone that owns a 2007 to 2013 Toyota Tundra, maybe 14 too. If your truck turned off,
next left,
and there is a light that says A/T oil temperature, and you still have a little bit of gas on the tank, and your truck is not turning back on, go ahead and put some gas on it. I just went through that.
Proceed about half a mile to your destination.
And I thought that the truck had some problems. I called the tow truck, and I took it all the way to my house, and I saw that it still had gas on it. So I was trying, it wasn't turning on. I paid the tow truck all the way to my house, and then I found online I found many people that couldn't solve it, couldn't find out what was going on. But I found one person that they put some gas in the truck, so I went and got some gas, and believe it or not, that was the deal. Even though my truck was showing that it had gas, it didn't have gas. So I put some gas on and the truck turned back on. So the main thing is
in a quarter of a mile, your destination is ahead on the left.
The main thing is the gas sending unit inside the tank is not working. So that might be your problem, is if your Tundra turns off in the middle of the freeway and that A/T oil temperature light comes on. So just go ahead and put some gas on it and try it out and see if it works. Okay, bye bye. Hopefully this helps somebody up there, because I got really stressed out with that deal until I found out what was it.
Your destination is ahead on the left.